All right, so here's a look at this blower. This is gonna be great for using it out in the patio. I even use it sometimes in my car when just trying to get the dust up, or you could even use it for the outside of your car when trying to dry it off. So this could be used in so many different ways, and you can see that it's gonna come with this extended piece right here. Now you don't necessarily have to use it. If you wanted to just use one of the pointy tips like this on the edges, so it shortens up, you could definitely use it like this. But most of the time, I do like having this extra extension on it, just because if I'm blowing off the patio here on the ground, then it's nice to just have that little extra range because you're going to be closer to the floor. Or if I'm drying off my car, it's great because I could reach even further across. So the way it's going to work is really simple. It's just going to be one button right here, and this is going to be 1 million RPM. So it's going to be really powerful. When you first click it, nothing's gonna happen. You have to actually hold it down, and that's what's gonna get it to go. So let's go ahead and start it up. And you can hear how strong it is. It's really powerful, and it ramps up. It starts off a little bit lighter, and then it's gonna get stronger. If I'm in the backyard and I'm just trying to blow down the patio, it's great because I can get stuff like, for example, instead of picking up all these little leaves and stuff that are here in the rocks, I'm able to just blow them all out. And I could essentially just clean up everything here in the rocks, and then once it gets down to the end, just sweep it up and put it away. Again, I use this for the patio. I also use it for the car to dry it off. That way I don't have to use as many towels, which is great. And plus, there's also not going to be as many streak marks on the car. So when I'm drying down the car, this is great. Now it's also going to come with another attachment as well. So you can see this one right here is more of a circular attachment, and this one is going to be more of a flat attachment. So just depending on what you want to use it for, the two attachments. It's also great because it comes with two batteries. So you can see this one's a 21 volt battery and this one is a 21 volt battery. So it'll come with two. I'll make sure to actually charge both of them up, and then you can just switch them out. So if you're working on a larger project that's going to take up more battery and more time, then you can easily just switch that out to the second battery and then keep working. And to actually charge the battery, it'll come with this battery charger right here, nice and easy. You're just going to plug it into the wall and you plug it straight into the battery right there. So once you pull this off, you could just charge it. And again, this is great because if you've got two batteries here, you could pull one of them off. You can get it charging as you're working with the other one, and then infinitely keep going back and forth. So if you're looking for a really good leaf blower or a car dryer, then I would highly recommend picking this one up.